Good morning students. Today we are going to practice brain boosting exercise. Brain boosting exercise is nothing but coordination exercise, hand-eye coordination exercise. If you practice this type of exercise, it will help you to improve your brain. It will activate your left and right brain and helps to increase your memory power and concentration capacity. So let us will go for one by one. Easy simple exercises. Just follow me and try to practice every day. First, clapping exercise, because you know the nerves ending in the tip of the fingers. So first acupressure points also is there. So just go for clapping for 1 minute or 30 seconds. And go for soft press. Each one try to do 10 times. Just pressing the tip of the fingers. Just join, change. Flex your fingers, just go like this. 10 times you can do. Just open all the fingers, go for clockwise direction, thumb finger. 10 times. First do it slowly, then you can increase the speed. Then join the thumb finger, next go for index finger. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Join, then middle finger. 10 times, opposite. Join, ring finger, clockwise, anti-clockwise. 10 times. Join, little finger, fast, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Then come here, palm facing down, just close one arm, fingers and open fast. One arm open the finger, another hand close the fingers. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Coordination exercise. Like that you can do 10 times. Then fingers. Open left hand, open the little finger, right hand, open the thumb finger. And just close it. Left hand, thumb finger open, right hand, little finger open. Both the fingers should be facing same direction. Just keep practice like this. So practice, you can increase the speed. Ten times. Then keep the three fingers next exercise. Middle, index and ring finger just close and open like this. Fast. This is also coordination exercise. 10 times. Next exercise, saluting and all the best exercise. Keep one arm, all the best position, another arm salute. Now just to change. Change. One arm salute, one arm all the best. Change. Salute. Fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. First do it slowly, then increase the speed. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Fast, 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 like that. Then next exercise, go for rotation exercise. Rotation exercise, one arm should be clockwise, another arm should be anti-clockwise. One arm should be clockwise, another arm should be anti-clockwise. Opposite, just opposite. Opposite, like that, 10 times. Okay, next, this should be left hand should be clockwise, right hand should be anti-clockwise. Right, starting it is very tough. By practice it is very easy, like that. Fast, increase the fast, like that. This is the one type of exercise. Another one is very important exercise. Just keep two hands, one arm, just make a circle. Make a circle. Another hand should be another any rectangle or a triangle you can make. Just try. It should be continuously you have to do. I am stopping, but you try to practice continuously. Any shape. One should be circle. Another should be shape. One should be circle, another should be shape. Like that. Then this hand should be a circle. This hand go for the triangle shape or rectangle shape. Triangle shape or rectangle shape. Triangle shape like that. Like that you can practice 10 times. Then another exercise. We can go for standing exercise because some exercises are there. Hand coordination. Just keep your hands like this and go for rotation, opposite side rotation. Opposite. This is the same side. This opposite side. Now both hands should be opposite. One is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. Just reverse. Like that. Okay. Next exercise. In the puja and all we used to do one ring, just ring like this, bell, and another is like this. Shake, one hand shake, one hand like the puja. Like that. Change. This puja and a shake like this. Okay, another exercise you can do like this also. Coordination exercise. One hand, just thumb hold your nose, and another one here, just change. You can practice 10 to 15 times. And last but not least, this is the final exercise, very important exercise. In Tamil we used to say Topu Karnam. Just hold like this, cross left over right, just sit and up. Softly hold it. You can do it 10 to 15 times daily. Go for full squat. We used to do in front of Ganesh, Lord Ganesh. So this is a very, very important exercise. Okay students, these are the exercises help you to develop your memory power, concentration power, and increase your brain, boosting your brain also. So try to do every day. It will take only 10 minutes. 10 minutes exercise, but giving the more values. So try to do, continue every day. Okay children, thank you. See you tomorrow with another activities. Thank you.